Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys the Valorant critical error fix on your Valorant, and if it's not opening up, what you need to do is press Windows R together and then type in services.msc just like so. Now you can see this service has opened up, so we're going to scroll down until we find VGC, as you can see right over here. So double click on this. As you can see, the startup type for you, it might be a manual. So if it's manual, what you're going to do is you're going to stop it and then you're going to put it to automatic, start it, and then apply, and then click on OK to save it. And after that, you want to restart your PC and make sure turn on Valorant and see if that is working. If that still doesn't work, then what you want to do is head over to your local disk C, program files, and from there, sorry, not program files, program files 86. No. From there, you want to go to wherever your Valorant is saved. So for most people, that should be local disk C, program files, and then Riot Games, and then Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Win64. Now scroll down until you find the application. We're going to right click on this and go to properties. Under compatibility tab, you're going to select this one and make sure it's selected to Windows 8. You're going to click on run this program as an administrator, click on apply, and then OK, and then restart your PC one more time and see if this fixes the problem. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.